Okay, can you tell me the last question? What was the last question?
So the last question was, in a certain code, tiger is written as 20R7V18. What is the snapper code and board code?
Okay, I'm writing this again, and then I will give you the question. Yeah, question. This is question number. Till which question we have done? Question number. Can you tell me the question number?
So question number 5 we have to
Sir,
do.
4.
We have to do question 5. Okay. In a certain code, the word again tiger is written as what is the code for first part sniper and second part board. Okay. So let me tell you what is the code for tiger. The code for tiger is 21 10 8 6 19. This is the code for tiger. You have to find the code for sniper and board. Find the code for sniper and board.
Sir, done. Sniper.
Sir, done the code of sniper.
Sir, I done board and sniper. Both I done. Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done. Sniper.
I done both.
All of you, if you have done, then you can send your answers in the chat box. I'm waiting for your answers. Send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, I have sent.
Sir, I have also sent.
Okay.
Sir, I also sent.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the pattern in the coding? All of you?
Sir, one number added.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In the numerical equivalent of the alphabet, we are adding one and then writing the code. Okay. So it was a simple one. Can you all identify these patterns in the exams also? If I give you questions like this in the exam, will you all be able to identify the pattern like this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is easy. Okay, so see the code for sniper. What are we doing here? Just see the numerical equivalent of T and add one. Same in this case, as the numerical equivalent of S is 19, and in 19 you add one, you get 20.
20.
And then the next number is N. 14.
50.
15.
I, for I you would add one, so it becomes 10.
10.
15. 10.
17. E
17.
6. R
6.
19. 20,
19.
15, 10, 17, 6, 19. For
6.
board it will
19.
be 3,
3.
16,
16.
2, 19.
2. 19. 5.
Okay. Correct answers, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My answer is correct.
Very good. Okay, next one. Beta, don't make this sound. Keep your mics off.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can tell. Again, you have to tell the code for sniper. SNIPER. And the word board. So the code for tiger is 9 7 5 18 20. 9 7 5 18 20. Give the code for sniper.
So what is the code for tiger in this question?
9 7 5 18 20. 9 7 5 18 20. 9 7 5 18 20. Yeah.
Raiden sniper.
Done
Sir,
sniper.
I have done both.
Sniper.
Okay, let me see. Anyone send the answer?
In chat box.
Yes. Mani, sir, I am not able to understand. Okay, no problem.
Sir, I sent. Please check.
Okay, so Dhruv Bhojwani has sent the answer.
Sniper.
बोर्ड का कोड भेजा है ध्रुव भोजवानी ने बोर्ड का 15 1
I sent sniper.
18 let me see 18 4 2 correct answer Dhruv Bhojwani. Give the code for sniper also. Agrim has sent the answer for sniper. No beta, not correct. Okay, let me show how this one is done. Tiger. Tiger. Let me see how the coding is done. This is 9,
Sir.
7, 5, 18 and 20. यही है, देखो कैसे करा है.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, I have sent sniper also.
very good. Have you understood how it is done?
Yes, sir.
Numerical equivalent of I is 9. उसको एक shift करके लगाया. We have shifted.
Yes, sir.
Yes. G का कोड क्या है? 7. E का कोड 5 शिफ्ट कर दिया. R का कोड 18 and T को लास्ट में पहुंचा दिया 20. Understood what is the pattern here?
I don't understand.
बेटा
Sir, I don't understand.
देखो, ध्यान से देखो, ध्यान से. What is this? You have to see that what is the numerical equivalent of I. I का कोड क्या है? 9. Numerical equivalent of I is 9. Okay. I is at the 9th spot. 9. T का कोड क्या होता है? 7. So we have shifted one place. एक place move करा दिया left में. I को ऐसे लिखा, G को ऐसे लिखा, E को ऐसे लिखा, R को ऐसे लिखा और T जो starting में था उसे last में पहुंचा दिया. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So similarly you will write for sniper also SNIPER. So N, what is the, पहले N का लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, N का. What is the code for N? 14. So here of N, then here I, then here P, E, R और S वाला लास्ट में लिखेंगे. So what is the code for I? Code for I is 9. Code for P is 16. Code for E is 5. Code for R is 18. And then code for S is 19. So this is your answer.
Sir, my answer is correct.
14, 9, 16, 5, 18, 19. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dhruv Bhojwani, your answer is right. Very good. Ready for the next one, all of you?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Code for tiger is 7, 18, 20, 22 and 9. This is the code for tiger. 7, 18, 20, 22, 9. Okay. 7, 18, 20, 22, 9. Now find the code for sniper and board. You can send your answers in the chat box. So can you see how many different ways are there of doing coding in the same question? So there could be many ways. बाद n हमने यहाँ पर लिखा है. ओके. एंड z के बाद दोबारा से a पर आ जाएंगे अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी तो. Yeah. Done. Anyone sending the
Yes,
answer?
sir. Sir, I am sending. Please wait for 2 minutes. One.
Okay. I'm waiting for your answer.
Sir, I have sent. Naitik. Sir, I have sent. Sir, I have also sent.
Very good, beta.
Sir, I have also sent.
Naitik Garg, your answer. Manhir has sent the answer. Manhir, sniper. Yes. Correct. N 13. Correct. Manhir has given the right answer. Naitik, your answer is not correct. Not correct, Naitik. I think not correct. Yes, not correct. And Dhruv Kumar, correct answer. Uzair, correct answer. Dhruv Bhojwani, this is the code for board. Board ka code. Not correct.
Sir, I have sent code for board also.
Board, correct. Dhruv Kumar has given the correct answer. Okay, so I'm telling you this one. So what is this? यहाँ पर t का अपोजिट लेटर देखना है और उसका नंबर लिखना है बस. वेरी सिंपल. t का अपोजिट लेटर कौन सा है? g. What is the letter opposite to t? It is g. And what is the number for g? What is the number for g? It is 7. Then you go to I. I is this. The letter opposite to I is R. And now you write the number for R. It is 18. Then for G, the letter opposite to G is T. And then you write the number for T, which is 20. E. E. The letter opposite to E is V. And the number for V is 22. 22. And finally R. R, the number for the letter opposite to R is I, and the number for R is 9. So 9. Similarly, you write for sniper also. Can you now tell me the answer? S, what is the letter for S?
Eight,
What is the number for S?
13.
And
13,
then 13,
20,
I18, I18, P will be 11, E will
11,
be 22,
22, and
R
9
will
then.
be 9. So this is
9.
the code for sniper. 8, 13, 18, 11, 22, 9. Same way you will do for board also.
B25,
B25, EG
O12,
O,
A,
26,
12,
A26,
A26, correct.
R,
925. 925.
R9, D23.
D is 23.
25.
23.
D is 23. So 25, 12, 26, 9, 23. This is the answer. Got it, everyone? Okay. Next one. Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the code for tiger is 18, 5, 7, 9, 20. 18, 5, 7, 9, 20. Find the code for sniper and board. 18, 5, 7, 9, 20.
ले लो
Sir, I have understood.
Very good.
नंबर लेना
Sir, I have found the code.
Very good. Give the answer.
Sir, I have sent for sniper.
Okay. Muhammad Uzair and Manir have given the answers. And I think the answers are correct. Correct answer. This is, I don't know which question number is this. How many questions we have done? I don't know. 5, 6 questions we have done today. 6,
Sir,
7,
8.
8 questions.
Sir, I have sent the code for board also.
Very good.
Sir, I have sent code for both.
Very good. Dhruv Kumar, correct answers.
Sir, I have also sent the answer for board.
Very
Sir?
good. Yes.
Hey, I want to ask, sir, so the math test will be on objective paper.
It is, you are in class 7, it will be objective and subjective both.
Okay, sir. So of UT2.
Yes.
So it will on Google Meet.
It will be, the objective part will be on Google Form and the subjective part will be taken on, we will have a meeting for it. It will be either on Zoom or on Google Meet, any one of the two.
Sir,
Yes.
you take a revision test of maths.
Yes, after the completion of the syllabus of reasoning, we will start with the revision of maths also. Okay.
Sir, we will do 9 questions also of this.
So, sniper, the code is
Sir, is sniper, sir,
Sniper
8.5.
first write the opposite of the word. Suppose this EIGER is the word. इसको उल्टा लिखिएगा. REGIT. So write the word opposite. The last letter will come first and the first letter will go at the last. So in the opposite manner we have written the word. And then reverse the order of the word. Then you will write the code for each of the letters, the numerical equivalent of R. R is 18,
18.
5,
E is 5.
then 9.
60.
In the
60.
same manner, you will write the code for sniper. What is the code for sniper? Can you tell me now?
Yes, sir. 18.
5,
Sir,
16,
18,
For
5,
sniper is
16, 9,
18,
14,
5,
19.
16, 9, 14, 17.
14, 9.
14, 17.
No,
14,
9.
19. 19.
19. Yes.
14, 17 because code for S is 17.
S is 19.
Keep your mics off. So, what is the code for sniper?
So 18, 5, 16, 9,
9, 14, 19.
14, 19.
18, 5, 16, 9, 14, 19. This is the
Yes, sir.
sniper. And now you tell me what is the code for board? Is
4,
4,
18,
18, 1, 15, 15, 2.
and 2. This is the code for board. Okay. Understood. So more questions if we have of the same type, will you all be able to do them?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Have you all understood the topic coding and decoding? It is a very simple topic, coding and decoding.
Yes,
yes, sir.
Okay. And any doubt in the topic clocks?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No problem. Any doubt in finding the angles and the
no,
topic
sir.
that we have done? Find the angles between two hands of the clock, minute hand and hour hand. We have also learned how to find the angles between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock. That also we have done. Any problem in that?
Yes, sir.